What is going on, YouTube watchers? Have you ever wondered what the best-selling speaker on Amazon is? Are you wondering which speaker you should get that also won't break the budget? Well, I have it right here for you guys, right in front of me today, right now. This is called the Appy B33. Kind of a horrible name for it. Not gonna remember that at all. Might not even remember Appy because never heard of the brand before. But yeah, it's the best-selling speaker on Amazon, and it's also waterproof. I think it might have been the best-selling waterproof Bluetooth speaker. I don't know if it's the best-selling Bluetooth speaker, but waterproof Bluetooth speaker. Yeah, let's check it out. Open this baby up. What is this? Surprise.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Do I want to receive a free product? Be taking a look at that later. Okay. 2 5-watt drivers. Weighs about 330 grams. Battery is 2,200 milliamp hours. Working distance is about 33 feet, it says. And it's waterproof. Okay, alright. Nice rugged feel, hard rubber, slip resistant. Oh yeah. You got this nice clip on a rubber band? I don't want to call it a rubber band, but rubber ribbon, rubber tag. You know, I think all speakers should have a clip on them. Feels pretty nice. It's pretty solid, not too rugged, you know. Has this clip so you can clip it onto your pants or backpack. You got your power input and your aux input right there underneath this little flap, so those are protected. And here's your buttons on top, your power button, play button, Bluetooth, and hang up and answer phone call button, and volume up and down, and maybe even previous track and next track. Hopefully they haven't taken that feature out of too many speakers. Okay, I need a device with Bluetooth and Google. Let's just use this one. Okay, so it comes out of the box at max volume. Sounding good. Sounding pretty good. Alright, let's see. Can we get something more, a little more funky?
I never considered anything else. Perhaps only the dead, child. Listen to it several times.
Ooh, make you feel good.
Oh yeah, it's handling those highs real nice too. That's exactly what I was expecting for 20 bucks. It sounds really nice. It's actually not that hard to make a speaker nowadays, so I expect it to sound good all around, and it does. You know, I thought that weight would be put to good use, and it is. It's speakers inside of there. Good speakers. Never heard of Appy, but hey, give them a shot. Best selling for a reason. Now, don't think I forgot the waterproof part. I am going to test that out right now. Screw it, might as well leave it on, right? I mean, waterproof is waterproof. Yeah, waterproof wireless speaker, IPX6. Now, I do happen to have a bowl of water right here, so we are gonna test that out. Hopefully I don't lose $20. Now that might hurt it, doing this. Yeah, there you have it, folks. Best-selling Bluetooth speaker on Amazon. You heard it here. You heard why. And it is in fact God, I gotta stop messing that up. It is in fact waterproof. Alright guys, as always, as I always say, use those damn turn signals. Or at least I'm always gonna start saying to you guys, use your turn signals. For real, it's dangerous. It is dangerous on the road. You people think you know what you're doing, but it is very quick and very, very easy to screw up. Please use your turn signals and stay positive. I don't feel like doing a dramatic wait this time. Make sure to hit those buttons and share this video.
Can't we just share a laugh?